And here's the table. Looks like a Road to Perdition. I was born on January 28th, and January 8th, 2003. On video and DVD. Color.
Red Dragon is a suspenseful masterpiece. It boasts the cream of the crop of acting talent, all at the top of their game. Red Dragon is mesmerizing from the very first frame. Brilliant. As thrilling as The Silence of the Lambs. Red Dragon, rated R. The Bourne Identity is a great thriller with non-stop action.
I can't remember anything that happened before 2 weeks ago.
Trained by the government.
You've got a Black Ops agent who's off the reservation.
Taught to disappear.
I don't even know who I'm hiding from. I gotta figure this out.
Born to survive.
You stop right there!
Matt Damon
I'm not gonna stop.
is Jason Bourne.
What are you gonna do? I'm full of surprises.
The Bourne Identity. Coming soon to DVD and video.
Everyone knows Jackie Chan can do almost anything. How? But when he puts on a $2 billion tux,
Tactical uniform experiment.
he can do everything.
Enjoy the show.
You killed James Brown.
Jackie Chan.
Hey, pal, my suit!
Jennifer Love Hewitt.
Ah!
The Tuxedo.
Welcome to Miami Mutual Bank. How may I help you?
I'd like to cash this check here, and then I'd like to take you out for a steak dinner.
Are you a realized pilot?
Sure am, little lady.
The jump seat is open.
It's been a while since I've done this. Which one's the jump seat again?
Frank never did middle school.
This is irrefutable evidence
Austin
that the
ever went to
defendant
school?
is lying.
Special Agent Henry, FBI.
Still in high school.
You're gonna get caught. It's like Vegas. The house always wins. Some nuts flying around the country posing as a pilot, calling the James Bond of the sky. Hello, Pusher.
This is by far the best date I have ever been on.
He's a kid. That's why he doesn't have a record.
30 milligrams of codeine every 4 hours. Do you concur?
I concur.
Dr. Harris. Yes? Do you concur?
Concur. What, sir? Ma'am, I'm sorry to have to tell you, your son is forging checks.
I have a payroll check here I'd like to cash.
I'm working part-time at the church now. Just tell me how much yours and I'll pay you back.
$1.3 million.
And I'll be choosing 8 young ladies to be a part of Pan Am's future stewardess program.
South America, Australia, Singapore. These are so perfect, the bank doesn't even know the difference. What do you want?
To apologize.
You didn't call to apologize, did you? You have no one else to call. I'm looking for your son.
I would never give up my son. If you were a father, you'd know.
Stop chasing me.
I can't stop. It's my job. See these people standing? They keep peeking over their shoulders,
The
wondering
critics are
where
calling
you going
Catch Me
tonight.
If You Can.
Where you going, Frank?
Don't send me not fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Don't bring around a cloud of terrain on my parade.
Sir, we're gonna let him get away. No call. You let him get away.
Nobody had a better reign on my parade.
I'm getting close, huh? You will go to prison.
You're gonna have to catch me.
By the Classification Rating Administration, www.filmreads.com. The SL is a modify its original version, so the format fit this screen.